Up next, I want to talk about something which is going to make the cross-channel content management very easy and effective. We have seen a lot of times that a lot of time off campaign creation goes into the content management or content creation. Content developers have to come and create the content on the message content, and then they have to manage it. They also need to ensure that the content is matching the brand guidelines or the brand consistency. They would also want to a lot of times reuse some of these assets or build on top of the existing assets so that they can kind of have to put in less efforts. But what largely happens in the absence is that it results in probably more time taken for a content developer to create the content, leading to probably delayed campaigns or maybe lost engagement opportunities. And we are really happy to introduce today a template manager. A template manager is a single hub for all your messaging templates. A marketing manager or a campaign manager or a content developer can come and create any message templates on MoEngage Template Manager, and they can edit, repurpose, reuse, and even update it at any point of time with the easy sync. It comes with a great, when it says template management, it comes with a lot of management capabilities. You can organize these templates into the folder for better readability or better discovery for your teams. You can also do a lot of filtering and sorting based on multiple criteria. And you can also share some of those best templates that you are really proud of with the other members of the team or with the other teams working in the same organization. What that means is that the life of campaign manager or a content developer becomes easy because they have a easy to view UI where they can kind of go about and understand what this template is about. They can also create easy and new versions with MoEngage template versioning. And the good part is that the operations are also kind of minimized because once you update the template, you can, with a single click, take a decision whether this template update should apply to all the running campaigns or not. So with template managers, we believe that efficiency and collaboration is going to improve between the campaign managers and the content developers. And it is also going to give a single point of view of your all the template or the messaging assets. It will also ensure that when you have all the things at one place, you can also do an easy audit in terms of how many of these templates are actually matching the brand consistency and thereby helping you to achieve that. And you can also kind of reduce the marketing ops by syncing some of these templates just from one place and apply to all campaigns, thereby reducing going to each and every campaign and updating the template one by one.